Hello, Synthetic Programming here with another video today. Today we are going to be going over the inside of a computer. This is our custom-built PC over here at Synthetic Programming, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit about how computers work in general. Now, if you know how a computer works already, please feel free to skip over this video. But this is for the people who really want to know what is on the inside of a computer and what parts do I need to buy if I want to build my own like this. Well, I'm going to show you guys the important parts right now. So in the back there, that back circuit board is the motherboard. And if you look at that, it's covered in a lot of components. Now, over here, these bars in this area are RAM. And RAM comes in the form of an added circuit board that you attach to designated ports on the motherboard, and that's your RAM stands for random access memory. So that RAM is every process that's happening in your computer as you use it. When you start a program, when a program is running, it's all happening on the RAM itself. Hard drive storage is used for saving files and putting files in a sort of stasis to be used later, but RAM really holds on to the current code and what's going on in the computer. So that's a really important part. Another is here. Now you see these pipes, and the pipes lead to this. Now under this thing that says Corsair over Mia is that is the CPU. And you can't see it now, but the CPU is under that black apparatus, and the CPU really runs, it's the processor. It does all the processing of the computer. It really controls everything else. If you don't have a CPU, your computer is not going to run. The CPU processor, if you don't have one, it's not going anywhere. And this black apparatus on top that I mentioned, liquid cooling. So we actually liquid cool this, where when we turn it on, there's a reservoir in there that holds antifreeze like liquid with a very low freezing point. It's cooled down very low, and that cooling action really helps the CPU to stay cool and not overheat. Over here we've got a fan, if you can see that, and we've got actually 3 fans in the entire computer. We really like to keep everything cold, and we don't want anything overheating. Right here, this board, which I'll get a sort of upper view on right now, this pretty little thing, is a graphics card. We use that for a lot of video editing, a lot of photo editing, and video card is a must-have if you are going to be playing games. I love this video card. It really makes everything pop, and I really suggest getting one for your own computer. Over here, this beautiful black box is the source of power. Again, without one of these, your computer's definitely not going anywhere, because it is the source of electricity for the computer itself. This plugs into a wall, and the port is in the back. This also connects to all of your individual components in the computer to power them all. Over here, we've got some bays that we use for memory. This is our couple terabyte hard drive over here. And then we have some solid state drives. So solid state hard drives down here, SSD cards, are the new found, it's like the new kid on the block with the cool toy. Like this is the new thing. And the difference between a solid state drive and a mechanical hard drive is that this kind of hard drive, the mechanical hard drive, which is in most of your computers, probably has moving parts on the inside, whereas these, which can hold now the same amount of memory, don't have moving parts, and so they last longer. They're wonderful little bits of machinery, and we have 2 of them to run the OSs on the computer, the operating system. If you look around the back here, you'll see that there's some wires heading into those bays, and if we move around the front of the computer and I pop this open, we've got our disc reader in there, our Blu-ray disc reader. Pop back around the other side. That is the general gist of the computer. I'm going to pop it on for a few seconds just so you guys can see what it's like, and we'll go from there. There we go, we got some blue LEDs. I can feel all the air coming off of the fans. It is really awesome to see this thing up and running. The Corsair symbol lit up on top of the coolant over there. And now that the fans have really done their part in starting up the machine, they're going to slow down. They don't sound as loud anymore. And we are going to see that the computer is now up and running over here. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. We love it that everyone's staying so active. and, you know, comment telling us what kind of videos you want to see. We thought this would be a pretty cool one, so hey, hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.